What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with Junior at SEMA 2019, and today bringing the top 5. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, GM trucks.
Yeah.
So this one's absolutely sick because it's the new 2020 GMC, and I just love that it's got a Can-Am on the back of it.
Yeah, this thing's pretty gnarly. All whited out. It's like a matte.
It's like matte white
color.
And I don't know if it's paint or wrap, but regardless, it looks absolutely sick. He's got the matte finish or satin finish hostile forged wheels on there, Delente tires, so like went all out with wheels, and then gets one of the actually more affordable tires that we carry on the website.
Aftermarket bumpers from Fusion, McGoy suspension lift kit, which is pretty cool to see that like a kit you can buy from Custom Offsets is on SEMA trucks. It's just crazy to me to think of that. Bunch of other fun stuff like a lot of the SEMA trucks have, the Gen Y hitches. This thing's just decaled up. I mean, it's got a bunch of sponsors, but still looks super clean. Like for the amount of people that have gone into this build and stuff, it's not too over the top, which I'm sure a lot of it goes towards the Can-Am as well. It's got a sled deck on the back, obviously. The Can-Am has tracks on it. It's just badass overall.
So not only is the truck custom, they also have customized, I believe that's an X3, and it's absolutely insane.
Hell yeah, welcome to SEMA.
All right, so there's a lot of drift noises happening right now. Oh, it just stopped, perfect. So I had to go with a Prerunner Silverado to bring in here too. So we got Dirt King fabrication, General Tires, Ultra Motorsports on this one. Pretty sick build. He's got all the lighting and everything. This is a nice Prerunner truck too that we got set up. And I love the General Grabbers because you gotta get the red leather tires on a Prerunner truck.
Oh,
you just
100%.
have to do it.
Yep, with the beadlock, whether it's simulated or not, like that just totally fits the build. I think these are like a 6-inch bulge on the flares front and rear. They're huge.
They're
massive.
aggressive.
I love them. Full-size spare in the back.
You got the air compressors, so you can air down, all that stuff. It's a nice setup, that's for sure.
Like you could take this right now, go to the dunes in the back of Vegas here, and let her eat.
Yeah, absolutely. It's got kings.
I said dunes, but I meant desert.
Whatever. So we had to show some love for the midsize trucks too. This is the Colorado, but it is the baby Duramax. This one I really like because it's XT wheels that are true beadlocks, and it's on Falcon Wild Peaks, which Falcon makes a really good tire. And the crazy thing is, like, all of this is at SEMA, right? And you can actually just get this wheel and tire setup. Like, this is a regular wheel and tire setup that you can just get right on our website.
Like, you could build this truck.
Yeah, it really wouldn't be that difficult to have a SEMA level truck just like this. So Baja kits, obviously with the long travel, I believe it's long travel, could be mid travel, don't know all the details. Rooftop tent, you got the extra fuel cans. It's just a sick, like, Prerunner style truck.
Headed rack with light bars on light bars.
Yeah.
My favorite part's the Duramax for sure. I love these little like mini trucks, if you will, that have the Duramaxes in them.
Mini truck, mini Duramax.
Yeah.
Both hand in hand.
There you go.
So another GM, this is a 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, and it's significantly taller than I am.
This thing's badass. So it's got Sword Performance shocks, which those are basically like a hydraulic shock. Imagine like an airbag going up and down. It's essentially what this is, but they're pretty pricey, especially forged wheels.
You got Fury tires on there.
Striker lift kit, which the kit's massive, and the sword shocks on top of that just puts this thing.
What do you think this is, 30 inches? 28 or 30 inches? Let's see, how many rock lights are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4.
4 per wheel well.
You got a 16 piece just in the wheel well, plus everything underneath it. Huge, massive.
All painted to match the truck, or powder coated to match as far as the suspension goes. This thing is just giant.
I mean, they've even got the hydraulic reservoir tank color match too. Train horns, Gen Y hitch, typical, all of the basic SEMA requirements.
This thing's a beast. All right, so this is our buddy Aaron. This is his first time at SEMA with his 2007 LBZ Classic, and I think the first thing you see is the wrap on this thing.
And the wrap is insanely detailed too, and they really went like all throughout. So the whole truck is wrapped, mirrors are wrapped, the bumpers are wrapped, the shocks are wrapped. Everything is like, it all just flows together. I love the American flag grill on it too.
Well, what he was saying with the wrap is that apparently it's a 3M metallic that is then printed over the top of it.
Oh dang,
so that's what
sick.
gives it like the look that it has. And then you can see on the sides all the sponsors and stuff like that in silver. That's actually the wrap underneath then.
That's sweet. And then the other neat thing is he's running the brand new TIS 547 wheels that are basically just released. We're gonna have those on the website as soon as we can too.
These wheels look killer on this thing.
Yeah, they're awesome.
I mean,
this is gonna be the next 544 right here.
He was saying as soon as he got here, he literally took his other wheels off, put these on, and was in the booth. Like, talk about SEMA Crunch. He was literally here putting new wheels on for the booth. So on his Duramax, he's got a solid axle swap with an Ultimate Air Ride 9 to 13 inch kit. So this thing can go from 9 inches all the way to 13 inches, which looks pretty damn tall considering these 40s look tiny on this thing. I mean, this is a huge truck. So pretty sweet build, retro patina look, but very cool overall.
Today, we're bringing you the top 5 GM trucks at SEMA 2019.
Let's get it.
The f was that?
Top 5.
Oh, I didn't know what you did.